Welcome to Bsbtec203. In this unit, you'll learn how to find your course materials, start your tasks, and move through the Moodle sections with confidence. And as you move into Bsbtec203, you'll be learning how to plan, carry out, and present internet-based research for real organizational tasks. That means the course is built around routine workplace tasks, where you're working under direct supervision or taking on a limited level of individual responsibility. Building on that, you'll practice the core parts of workplace research, confirm the task, choose reliable sources, search efficiently, and present your findings clearly. And it stays grounded in real work. Instead of getting pulled into theory-heavy study, you'll focus on practical research tasks you can actually use on the job. Building on those practical tasks, the unit is split into 3 clear parts. You'll first plan your research, then conduct it, and finally present what you found. And inside Moodle, each part follows the same simple pattern, so it quickly feels familiar. You understand the task, do the task, then submit your result. So before you jump into the task itself, pause and confirm the requirements first. That small check saves you from heading off in the wrong direction. Make sure you know what the task is asking for, who it's meant for, and what finished result you need to hand over. Beyond that first check, take a moment to shape the research objective with the people connected to the task, like your supervisor, team members, or the person who'll use the result. When that objective stays clear, your search stays tied to the job you're doing instead of drifting into information you don't need. With that objective locked in, the next step is choosing where you'll look. Start with the sources your organization expects you to use, like internal policies, procedures, approved databases, team records, and trusted external websites. From those approved sources, the next choice is the tool itself. Use the application and search engine your organization's policies and procedures allow, so your research stays compliant from the start, and you won't be guessing your way through that. Your Moodle section points you toward the right browser, search engine, and any workplace-approved tools you should be using. And once you've got the right tool open, don't start typing straight away. Prepare the key search terms first, so you begin with a clear direction. That small step helps you find useful information faster and cuts down the time you'd otherwise waste chasing results that don't fit the task. And once those search terms are ready, just follow Moodle in sequence. Start in unit information, move into application, then use the next task section to keep progressing through the course. From there, you're ready to do the research itself. Power up your device, get online, and use the approved application to open the search engine you'll be working in. Once you've found useful information, record it clearly and pass it on in the format the task asks for, whether that's notes, a document, or another required submission. So instead of wondering where to begin, open Moodle and start in the unit information section. That's the simplest first click, and it sets up everything that follows. Once you do that, your first week stops feeling vague and starts feeling manageable. You've got your starting point.